The BMW M4 2026 represents the modern evolution of BMW's legendary high-performance coupe formula. Combining aggressive styling, race-inspired engineering, luxurious comfort, and everyday usability, the 2026 M4 continues to stand among the most recognizable performance cars in the world. Over the years, the BMW M division has built a reputation for creating vehicles that deliver thrilling driving experiences while remaining practical enough for daily life, and the 2026 BMW M4 perfectly reflects that philosophy. At first glance, the design of the BMW M4 2026 immediately captures attention. The wide stance, muscular fenders, and aggressive front fascia create a bold and intimidating appearance. One of the most discussed design features remains the large vertical kidney grille, which has become a signature styling element for the current generation M4. While opinions about the grille are divided among enthusiasts, there is no denying that it gives the vehicle a unique identity and strong road presence. The sculpted hood, aerodynamic side mirrors, carbon fiber roof, and quad exhaust outlets all contribute to the coupe's performance-oriented personality. BMW offers the M4 in multiple configurations, allowing drivers to choose a version that best suits their preferences. The standard M4 comes with rear-wheel drive and a 6-speed manual transmission, while the competition variants feature an 8-speed automatic transmission and optional xDrive all-wheel drive. This flexibility is important because it allows the car to appeal to both traditional driving enthusiasts and those seeking maximum performance and convenience. The continued availability of a manual gearbox is especially appreciated by purists who value driver engagement in an era where many manufacturers are abandoning manual transmissions altogether. Under the hood, the BMW M4 2026 is powered by BMW's highly regarded S58 3.0-litre twin-turbocharged inline-6 engine. In the base version, the engine produces approximately 473 horsepower and 406 pound-foot of torque. The competition models increase output significantly, reaching up to 523 horsepower in the competition xDrive variant. This powerful engine gives the M4 explosive acceleration and impressive top-end performance. Independent testing has shown that certain competition xDrive models can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in as little as 3.2 seconds, placing the M4 firmly in supercar territory. One of the strongest characteristics of the BMW M4 2026 is its balance between raw performance and everyday usability. Unlike some high-performance sports cars that sacrifice comfort for speed, the M4 remains practical enough for regular commuting and long-distance driving. The cabin is relatively spacious for a coupe, and the trunk offers reasonable cargo capacity for the segment. Drivers can comfortably use the car as both a weekend performance machine and a daily driver. Many reviewers describe the M4 as one of the few cars capable of transitioning effortlessly between track day excitement and everyday practicality. Inside the cabin, the BMW M4 2026 offers a blend of luxury and motorsport-inspired design. The interior features premium leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, illuminated M Sport seats, and a driver-focused cockpit layout. BMW's curved digital display combines a 12.3-inch instrument cluster with a 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen running the latest iDrive 8.5 software. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and advanced connectivity systems come standard. The interior feels modern and technologically advanced, while still maintaining the sporty atmosphere expected from an M car. Driving dynamics remain the core strength of the M4. BMW engineers have tuned the chassis to provide exceptional cornering ability and high-speed stability. Adaptive suspension systems allow the car to switch between comfortable cruising and aggressive performance settings. The steering system, while sometimes criticized for lacking feedback compared to older BMW models, remains precise and responsive. The M4's chassis provides excellent grip and confidence, especially in the xDrive all-wheel drive variants. Drivers frequently praise the car's ability to remain stable and predictable even under hard acceleration or aggressive cornering. The sound of the BMW M4 is another major part of its appeal. The twin-turbo inline-6 produces an aggressive exhaust note that enhances the emotional experience of driving the car. Quad exhaust tips and active exhaust systems allow the driver to adjust the sound profile depending on the selected driving mode. In sport or track modes, the exhaust becomes louder and more dramatic, adding excitement during spirited driving. Enthusiasts often consider the sound and character of the M for an essential part of its personality, even though some believe naturally aspirated M engines from earlier generations sounded more emotional. BMW has also equipped the 2026 M4 with advanced technology and safety features. Adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and parking assistance systems improve convenience and driver confidence. While performance remains the primary focus of the vehicle, these technologies make the M4 more practical and easier to live with on a daily basis. Fuel economy is not the strongest aspect of the M4, but considering its performance capabilities, efficiency remains relatively reasonable. Most versions achieve around 18 to 19 miles per gallon combined according to EPA estimates. This balance between power and efficiency reflects modern automotive engineering, where manufacturers are increasingly expected to deliver performance without completely sacrificing fuel economy. Enthusiast communities online continue to show strong appreciation for the M4 platform. Discussions on Reddit and automotive forums frequently highlight the car's combination of speed, comfort, and reliability. Many owners describe the M4 as a point-and-shoot performance machine capable of handling canyon roads, highway driving, and track sessions equally well. Others praise the vehicle's dual personality, comfortable enough for everyday driving yet aggressive enough for performance enthusiasts. Some owners also note that the M4 feels more refined and luxurious compared to traditional muscle cars while still delivering thrilling acceleration and handling. However, the BMW M4 2026 is not without criticism. Some reviewers argue that the steering lacks the natural feel found in older BMW performance cars. Others believe the styling, especially the oversized grille, remains controversial. The ride quality can also feel stiff on rough roads, particularly in aggressive driving modes. Additionally, the vehicle's price places it firmly in premium territory, making it less accessible for average buyers. Despite these criticisms, the overall reception of the M4 remains highly positive. Another important factor surrounding the BMW M4 is its place in automotive history. As governments push toward electrification and stricter emissions regulations, high-performance gasoline-powered coupes may become increasingly rare in the future. Some enthusiasts view the current M4 generation as one of the final examples of traditional BMW M engineering before electrification becomes dominant. Discussions online even speculate about the long-term future of the M4 lineup, adding emotional significance to the current generation. Compared with rivals such as the Mercedes-AMG CLE53, Chevrolet Corvette, and Audi RS5, the BMW M4 occupies a unique position. It combines German engineering precision, luxurious comfort, and aggressive performance into one highly versatile package. Few competitors manage to balance these qualities as effectively as the M4. In conclusion, the BMW M4 2026 continues the legacy of BMW's legendary M division by delivering outstanding performance, everyday usability, advanced technology, and unmistakable styling. Its powerful twin-turbo inline-six engine, sophisticated chassis, luxurious interior, and versatile personality make it one of the most complete performance coupes available today. While some aspects such as steering feel and styling remain debated, the overall package is undeniably impressive. As the automotive world moves increasingly toward electrification, the BMW M4 2026 may ultimately be remembered as one of the last great traditional performance coupes of its era.